Alright.
Allan and the cunning monkey. Allan and the cunning
Monkey.
Allan was bored sitting at home, so he decided to have an evening walk. He took his red hat and the red scarf. They were his favorite outfits. After walking for some time, he felt very tired, so he decided to sit under a tree that was near the road. After a while, he fell fast asleep. When he woke up, his hat was missing. He tried to look for it everywhere, but could not find it. When he looked up the tree, he saw a monkey sitting on a branch wearing a red hat. He looked at the monkey and the monkey looked back at him. He shook his finger at the monkey and the monkey only shook his finger back at him. Allan was angry. He started shaking the tree. "Hey, you monkey! Give me my hat!" But the monkey only shook the branch. But he never gave him the hat. This made Allan angry, more angry. He took a stone and threw at the monkey. The monkey also took the stone and threw back at him. Allan became very, very, very angry. He took the scarf and threw it on the ground. On seeing that, the monkey also took the cage, the hat, and threw it on the ground. Allan was very happy. He took his hat and his scarf, wore them, and then he said goodbye to the monkey and went back home. Did you know that monkeys behave like human beings? Yes, they behave like human beings. They feed and also carry their young ones. They do almost everything like human beings. So they behave like human beings. And they also swing from tree to tree. Did you know that? Yes, they are able to swing from tree to tree. Where was Allan going to? Where was Allan going to, Labin? Good. Allan was going for an evening walk. What were his favorite outfits? What were his favorite outfits in the sun? Good. The red hat and the red scarf. They were his favorite. Where was the monkey? The monkey was up the tree. The monkey was up the tree. What did the monkey do when Allan